We get to Ubuntu and we're going to install the stable release from the code being shown here. We copy that, move to a terminal window on our server and paste the code and execute it. Now we are editing with elevated privileges the file /etc/caddy/caddy file. It comes pre-configured and we're going to gut everything out and replace it with our reverse proxy. And if you look closely, we have the name of our URL post-its.homenet.lan. We're specifying that it is a reverse proxy and that anything it receives, it will transmit forward to localhost 5000 and the security TLS is internal. Once we've done that, we save the file. Having created the Caddy file, we're now going to create the service that will invoke it. This way, whenever the server starts, the Caddy service is running and can receive requests on post-its.homenet.lan. All the information I'm sharing here is available on the Caddy site. Using elevated privileges, we're going to create a file called caddy.service. Into this file, we're going to paste the script we got from Caddy's GitHub page and save it. The service references the Caddy file we just created before. The last action is to verify that the Caddy service is running, and we do that with the systemctl status and the name of the service. And as we can see, it is active.